The next thing we need to install to start doing all this cool stuff we need to do is SASS. So go to sass-lang.com/install if you want to go directly to the page. This is the front page you'll get to if you just get here. But click install and then we are going to go through this process. Now Windows users, they need to install a little bit extra here compared to the Mac users. They need to install this Ruby here. So this is just for the Mac user, for the Windows users. So you need to go in here, download this and install this program. And once you're done with this, you can go back to this part. We need to install our SASS, so the system knows how to convert things. And the way we do this on a, you can also go here, it's just there's a really easy guide to how to do this. Now on a Mac, which I'm going to show you, is just again open your terminal. Oh, it's already over here from before. I'm just going to clear. And I'm just going to copy the things that are stated in here. So right now I'm a Mac user, so I want to install SASS. Open my terminal or command prompt. This is the Windows users. That's their version of this. You're just going to go to this part. So copy this, gem, install SASS. Now we might need to do something else before, depending on what the system says right now. You can see down here, oh, see it says an error because I don't have the, I'm not allowed to use this. So I have to put the sudo in front, which means I'm telling the system basically I'm the boss, and then it's going to ask me for a password. So your password for when you log in your computer, and once you pop that in, it's going to install it, as you can see here. So now it should be building things, and this might take a while. This in a few minutes, well, this might take a minute or two, just keep it going. Once this is installed, we're ready to actually start using SASS on our pages that we're going to be using, and that's basically it to install these two dependencies we needed, or two programs we need for this. I'm just gonna wait here, yes. So one way you can check if it's installed, you type SASS space dash and V is short for version. And if it's installed, it says here, I am at SASS 3.5.5 and the bleeding edge, which means it's the newest stuff in the world. Here is actually a bit older on the page, 3.5.4. But that's basically it. That's what you need to do to install SASS. So we're ready to use this, install Ruby and install the previous one, which was for Mac users, the Xcode select. Cool, next part we're going to be looking into more stuff for this.